Hey guys, just a quick video of the unboxing of the wheel conversion spacers. It's the 11 millimeters one. There's a 15 millimeters. I didn't know which one was good. It's for the BRZ 2017. I already had one installed. It looks like this with STI GDM wheels. They're 17 by 8 and the offset is 53. So what we get? A little air freshener, a thank you card, and an invitation for a review of the package. And we got the thing itself, the parts. Oh, and two little cans. That's nice. Okay. So those are from Project Kics. I don't know, there's so good information on those. This maybe. It converts your stud, your bolt pattern, from 5 by 100 to 5 by 114.3, just like the STI and the, I think the WRX. I think all the other models, I'm not sure, but the goal was just to push the wheel out and to be able to use those wheels that I had. They had the winter tires on them for the STI before, but I used the original wheels that came with the 2016 STI, the black ones, and installed winter tires on them. So that's it. And I'm gonna use those on the BRZ. I'm looking forward to see the result. So let's see. We got center hubs adjustment or something like that. Main part itself. So that's what it looks like. In a few minutes I'm gonna install it. So you'll see what you need if you ever wanna buy one. One more thing that I forgot. If you're thinking of buying one of these, the original stud, once the piece is installed, still come out a little bit. They poke out there. So ensure that the wheel you're looking for to use have space for the stud to go. Else what you'll need to cut those, I guess. And that's why I wasn't able to use those NKRPF ones, and because I didn't want to cut those stuff. And also the instruction, they are all in Japanese, but the only information and really good information that you need is here. The torque for those little bolt that you're gonna need. Actually, they'll go here. But before that, you need to put this on. And then put this right here. Yeah, that's good. And once you install those, the information for the torque, we just saw them. So, and when you do those, it's like the wheel, I guess, and that's what I will do in Star. Yeah. Okay, so we'll get to that. Okay, so I did the front. The car is off the jack stand in front, both sides. We're gonna do this just to show you. It's kind of simple. I'm gonna put that here, I guess. I hope you see everything. We'll see that at the montage. So, the tools that they provide you, the little key for those nuts. You require a 13/16 socket, torque wrench. Like they said, it's 120 Newton meter, so which means it's 88.5 foot-pound. So you just need to torque those. It's already adjusted to, yeah, exactly. Whoop, not that, this one here. And like we said, star. So this one here. This is done. And we should probably just to be sure. So that's done. I'm gonna put that to 80 for my those nuts, which are not the original. If you're still using the original boat, I think it's the same foot-pound as those that we just did. But check your manual just to be sure. So this goes here. A trick for you guys, if you don't want to strip or remove the paint on your special nut, you use a bag, plastic bag, like any store, and you put it, the bag here, and just so it will protect the. So where was I? Yeah, it will protect the boat. Okay. So we're done, and quickly I'm gonna get the car on its wheel. Quick tip, maybe you don't know, maybe you know, anyhow. A torque wrench, when you're done with it, always put it to 0, completely down, so it will work forever. And I don't know, maybe it will show you how to jack your BRZ in one shot, the rear at once. So you just need to use a jack and get it. On the differential, like that. I use a 2x4 piece of wood, so it's not metal on metal. So I just need to jack it up a bit and to be able to remove the jack stand. So that's what it looks like. Final product at last. Yes. Yeah, that's a nice look. Right, let's get it outside. I'm gonna go take a ride and see if, just a slow ride to see if it rubbed. It shouldn't, I guess. Those are the original tire. I decided to keep those because they're new, actually, that's why. And you see that they're stretched a little bit, since the wheel, like I said, are 17 by 8, and the tire itself, it's 215 45 17. That's what it looked like. I think it has a good look. I think it's good that I went with 11 millimeters. I'm wondering if I should have go with 15 on the back though. Leave your comments, guys. Maybe you can tell. Those wheel conversion spacers are less expensive for sure than a set of wheel with the bolt pattern that I required, but since I had the wheel, I went with those. So I'll let you know how it went.